Push it back, come back, you like I'm selling.
Ladies and gentlemen.
smoke, harder than the liquor I pour. Let me know, but I can't let go. See, they call me my 2, 3, my Lord, see. It's a sign that it's me, but I know for me. I don't know for me, I'm changing to my nose. White House song.
When I started falling, I was young. You walked into money when I'm born. I needed money, that's the ring I never
to feel alone in a crowded fucking room or in a beautiful fucking crowded place in India, ladies and gentlemen, but you know, empty sometimes, but I want you to know that it always gets fucking better. I want you to know that you put so much fucking ass in the fucking stuff. And I suppose not too long ago with a special friend of mine, we made a song kind of about this, how we've all felt like we've been kicked down before, or pushed down before. And what's important is not how the fuck you get knocked down, it's about getting the back fuck up. It's about getting back up. And we wrote this song about that. We wrote this song about feeling like a loser. And if you felt like one, ladies and gentlemen, that makes 2 of us tonight, man. And it goes something like this.
Last call, last chance. 9 to 5, let's drop these dancers. Couple chops, orange jam, with a whole lot of prayers.